Hi, and welcome to MoSKito, a tool for monitoring your web application. MoSKito is powerful, yet very easy to use. There are only two main features to remember. Thresholds show the current state of your application. Accumulators collect performance data and then generate a statistic overview. When you launch MoSKito for the first time, you will see a welcome message. We suggest reading our brief manual before you start. That will really help a lot. Tap the Help button to open the Help screen. On the Help screen, you will see the Help section buttons. Tap a button to open the corresponding Help section. Swipe up and down to navigate through the text. Tap the Help button to exit the Help screen or open it again. To start monitoring your website, you need to add it to Applications list. To do that, tap Settings. In the Application List section, tap Plus. In the appearing application screen, enter the name of your new application as you want it to appear in MoSKito. Then enter the URL address of your application. Note that MoSKito will automatically add the configuration path to the URL you have entered. If your application needs login and password, drag the authorization slider to Yes, then type in your login and password. After entering all the data, tap Save. Now your application appears in Application List. Tap Settings to return to main screen and then tap Accumulators or Thresholds tabs. As you see, the tabs now have indicators. That means MoSKito started monitoring your application. Congratulations! If you have received a special configuration code, you may enter it to add applications. To load applications by configuration code, tap Settings. In Configuration by Code section, enter the configuration code. Choose to keep or remove existing configurations. To keep them, swipe Add to Current Configuration slider to Yes. To remove all other apps, swipe the slider to No. Tap Load. You may test MoSKito by using our demo code. Just type in Demo. Please contact Anotheria Net in case you would like to deploy your own configuration codes. With MoSKito, you may add and monitor several applications at a time. To see the apps added to MoSKito, tap Settings and see the Application List section, or tap Thresholds or Accumulators tab and see Application tabs in the upper part of the screen. To change the application settings, tap Settings, tap the app in Application List. In the appearing Edit screen, change the parameters you need. Tap Save. To change interval for refreshing data, go to Update Interval in Seconds section. Spin the Update Interval picker wheel down and up. To delete an application, tap the red minus icon near the application name, then tap Delete. Thresholds display current state of your application performance using color indicators. A threshold is configured to show a certain parameter. A set of different thresholds presents a complete picture of how your app performs at the moment. To view all thresholds of an application, tap the Thresholds tab. To switch between apps, tap the needed application tab. Swipe left and right to browse through applications. A threshold in Threshold list displays status indicator, threshold name, and threshold value. Every color indicator corresponds to a certain state of your application. Green stands for good. Yellow is a minor problem. Orange, yet minor problem that needs your attention. Red, problem that needs inspection. Purple, imminent system malfunction. White is for no data error. To display detailed threshold info, tap the threshold. Detailed info will appear in the display area. The display area shows the detailed threshold info in 4 columns: time, threshold name, previous and current status, previous and current value. To search thresholds, tap Search. In search field, start typing the threshold name. Matches will appear in threshold list as you type. To change settings, tap Settings to open the settings screen. Accumulators present performance statistics of your web application showing the accumulated data is a chart. To view all accumulators of an application, tap Accumulators tab. To switch between apps, tap the needed application tab. Swipe left and right to browse through applications. An accumulator in the list displays time of measurement, accumulator name, and accumulator value. To display an accumulator, drag it to display area. You may display as many accumulators as you want. The display area shows charts for dragged accumulators and the detailed data sheet with 2 columns, timestamp, and value. To refresh an accumulated chart, tap the Update button. To remove accumulated chart, tap the Close button. To search accumulators, tap Search. In Search field, start typing the accumulator name. Matches will appear in the accumulator list as you type. We hope you will enjoy working with MoSKito. Please visit MoSKito homepage or contact us for more info.